It's Australia Day, so it's public holiday. That one. Currently in casino, 34 degrees.
And so I'm gonna crack the egg. Alrighty.
Is it cold? No. It's just been blurry, watery, burning me and all of that, you know.
It's island. Well, I'm vibing. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. So I just came from my eye appointment, you know. Been having trouble with my eyes lately. So done some tests. So this is the place that I just went to. Yeah. Llamas plus brown, whatever it's called. Yeah, so them gave me some eye gel and eye drops, you know. So some of you guys have noticed before that well, a few of you guys actually noticed that something has been wrong with my eye, you know. And yeah, it's just been blurry, watery, burning me and all of that, you know. And yeah, so I just get it checked out, and yeah, them said that there's like an irritation which would look like a cut on my eye, but the lady said it's probably because she asked me if I wear a lot of glasses like from the sun, and I said, well, when I was back home in Jamaica I didn't really wear glass, you know, especially when I used to go fishing always in the sun all day, you know. So she said that could contribute to why my eye is like this, you know. So they're gonna try and fix it. So I have a follow-up appointment within the next month time, you know, because my left eye, it gets very blurry, you know, at times gets very itchy, very red, you know. So yeah, it's like that, you see me. So it really gets me worried and scared, you know. I may ask her if, you know, I might lose my vision or something, and she say it's not gonna happen, you know, unless it really gets worse or something, where, you know, but at the moment it's not possible, you know. I also see a dark shadow in my eye, which she said it's like might be like a little tissue. She said it happens to a lot of people, but probably not many people at my age, but some people don't notice it. So I see like a dark shadow out of my eye, my left eye, you know. So yeah, but she say when she look at it, it's just a bit of tissue that's just floating around, you know. So yeah, the good news is that my eyes is not the worst, but it's bugging me, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna work on that, and hopefully it heals. She said I use the gel and use the eye drops every couple of hours, and the gel I use it mainly when I need to take a rest, you know, at night and all that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on. Yeah, man. So I got my receipt and thing here, and I'm gonna head home. I know you see it. Yeah, man. Finish work today and just rush to the eye, get my eyes check out. You see me? This is the first time I get my eye check out. Yeah, so that is that. And also next I'll be getting my teeth checked out. Yeah, man. So, you know, I've never done these things before, you know, so it's really good to do them, you know. Stay tuned, my peeps. Yeah, I do them, you know. Yesterday, guys, me and little Bobo, my handsome little boy, yes sir. Such a show off. Boy, I show them muscle. Yeah, I love show off stuff. Yeah, man. So guys, today is the 26th of today's the 26th of January, you know what I mean, and today is Australia Day. Yeah,
You need to fix this.
okay, I will. Yeah, so today is Australia Day, so it's public holiday. Me and little Bobo they home. I know you guys would be asking where is Babes, you know. So wife is at work today, so she's working today. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is set up my pool because it's a very, very hot day today, you know. So it's dirty, so I have to go wash it out and thing. And yeah, today is very, very hot. Trust me on that. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Island, come out of the sun, please.
Do you like the sun?
Yeah, like it.
This is gummy bears.
Gummy bear. Just gonna scrub it out.
I love it in the pool.
You what?
I love it in the pool.
You vomit in the pool?
Yeah.
That's not good.
I love it in the pool. Yeah.
Very, very hot today.
Like the shower then. No.
Fill him up with water now. Take some time. Ooh. And also it's a very windy day. You can see how the clothes are going on the line.
And the wind is strong.
Yeah, very strong wind today, Bobo. Look there. Yeah, man. So you guys can see the temperature currently in Casino. 34 degrees. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, I'll be experimenting on something, yeah. So let me show you guys. This is all for fun. So windy, hope you all can hear me. So there's an experiment that I want to try with this egg. So what I want to do is, on this hot sunny day, I want to see how long will it take for me to cook an egg just in the natural sun. You know what I mean? I've never done this before, but this is a challenge to see how long will it take. And this just come out of the fridge, so it's pretty cold. You know, and the frying pot is right here. So we're gonna try this out on 34 degrees in Australia. Yeah? You all ready? Alright, let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna crack the egg. Alrighty. Woo! Yo! It's not quite stable, balance. I need to settle in the middle, but let's see if we put this under. Yeah, looks better. Alright, so now it's 12:32. I should have started a timer, but it is 12:32. You guys probably can't. Alright, let me close the screen and show you. Alright, 12:33. Alright, so we're gonna see how long it takes to cook a egg in the sun. This is crazy. Come on, egg, cook. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Come on. How long are you gonna take to cook? How long you guys think it's gonna take? Drop it in the comments before we get to the result. This is just all for fun, guys. So my timer is going. Timer is running. So this is what it turns out to be. So it's not really looking like a cooked egg. It's more looking like just dried up. Yeah, it's not looking anything eatable.
Daddy, happy egg.
There you see, guys. Water build up. Bobo can stay in the back here and cool on himself, you know. I'll sit right here and watch him.
That's my shit.
You good?
Hey, let me talk.
Love him cool. So I was actually thinking of going somewhere today, but I just don't have the energy, you know, and the sun itself just draining. Alright, Bobo, you can go in when you're ready. That's enough for you. Don't need it any deeper. You can go in when you're ready.
Okay.
Go on. Is it cold?
No.
Yeah, really? On a hot sunny day. Come on, get in.
Dad, take my undies off.
No, you have to keep it on, okay?
Okay.
Cold.
Then let me sit down.
Yeah.
It's cold.
It's always hard to get in at first.
The apples want to go in the pool soon. See?
Ooh, it's so windy. Shoot, the wind just picked up. Yeah, no. So, as I said earlier, today is Australia Day, so you know there's a lot of things that surrounds Australia Day that I won't get into because I won't, you know, my channel is not about the political side of things, you know, but it's a history that really you know, kind of separates the people on this day, to be honest, you know, which is the Aboriginals and the Aussies, you know. But as I said, I won't get into it, but but today I see a lot of flags raised, you know, a lot of Australian flags raised at people's homes and things like that. So I'm gonna see if I can show you guys that. Yeah, man. Right, you know. Yeah, man, because of the history, just like, you know, black people enslaved and you know what the Aboriginals people went through. You know, so there's still a separation with the people here and who owns the land. You know, we obviously know that the Aboriginals, you know, were here before and all of that. I won't get into that. You know, I'm just a man living in Australia. Yes, man. I won't get into the politics of things. Yeah. If you guys can see. Coming up right here, it's an Australian flag there. Yeah, man, so people have their flags out and thing. There's another flag. Is that one? Yeah, man, so the flags them come out today. Lots of house.
Frog. Not bad.
Yeah. You know, I heard people say that the houses that have the Australian flags is for a particular reason why they have that flag up. And yeah, I won't say it on here, but it's just what I heard. Remember, I'm just new here. You know, I'm just going with what I hear these people say. Remember, I'm not from this country. And what they say, it could be true or it could be rumors, yeah? But they have it to believe that the people that raise the flag in their house are some kind of you know, maybe you can Google it and find out what me I try to say. Yeah.